Welcome to this explainer. Let's fix that annoying issue where your Windows 11 USB drive letter keeps changing.
You plug it in, it's drive A. Reconnect later, and it's drive B. What gives?
So what causes this? Well, conflicts, port swapping, and Windows updates just confuse the automatic assignment process. The easiest fix? Manually assigning a permanent letter using disk management. Let's walk through it. First up, press Windows plus X on your keyboard and select Disk Management. Once that opens, just find your specific USB drive in the volume list. Got it? Now, right-click that USB partition and select Change Drive Letter and Path. A tiny dialog box will pop up. Simply click the Change button right there. Here's the trick. Pick a late alphabet letter like M, N, or P to avoid future conflicts. Click OK to confirm. Now, reconnect your USB to check if that new letter stays put. If that didn't stick, don't worry. Fix2 uses the DiskPart command line tool. To start, press Windows plus R on your keyboard to open the Run command box. Type DiskPart and hit Enter. This launches the built-in Windows utility. Once it opens, type List Volume and press Enter. You'll see all your connected drives. Carefully identify your USB drive in this list and write down its volume number. Next, type Select Volume X, but make sure to replace X with your actual number. Type Assign Letter equals F, swap F for your preferred letter, hit Enter, and close it. Still acting up? Our third fix tackles conflicts caused when multiple storage devices confuse Windows. Let's clean house. Safely remove all other unnecessary USB drives, memory cards, or external disks. Next up, restart your computer. This completely clears Windows memory of those extra connected devices. Now, connect only that affected USB drive. Fingers crossed it finally keeps its assigned letter. With your drive letters finally fixed, what other hidden device conflicts are silently cluttering your workflow?